There we go. There's Bernie. Hey, Bernie. That's a snow drift. That's a big roof. See how easy it is, Mom? Wow. What's he doing, Frankie? What's he doing, Frank? Hey, Bernie. Bernie. Go get him, Bernie.
You love the snow, right?
Get him, Frank. Bernie.
He's trying to eat you alive.
What? Go get him, Frankie. You get him, Frankie?
Ow!
Stuck in the snow.
I thought you weren't still here.
I'm still here.
But you heard me say I was going to come out and you wait for me to come out, right?
Come on, Frank. You get out? No.
There's something right here.
I see, Funky. Bernie, come here. Come on, Funky.
He's right behind you. You want to go home and play with the dog?
No, I'm not going in the house. I gotta wait for Lenny to come back.
Oh, where'd he go?
We ran out of gas with the plow.
Oh,
Bernie, come.
Oh, you were plowing?
Yeah, I ran out of gas.
Oh, my mom said that you were probably plowing.
Yep.
And then you were plowing and you ran out of gas.
Yep.
Maybe while you're plowing, me, Frank, and Bernie can play with each other when he comes back. So you're not allowed in the house until he gets back?
No, I am. I gotta go to the bathroom though. So I'll come back out and see Frank's limping. He's got a bad leg. My Frank. I'm gonna let him go rest. Frankie. Hello. What are you doing, Brian?
Want me to play with you? Hey.
Go get him, Brian. Get the snowball. Get the snowball. Get it, Brian. Bernie, come.
I can barely find him.
Get it, Vern. Bernie, come. Don't throw it up, Bernie!
Bernie!
I don't want him in the street. Bernie, come. Well, look, there's plenty over here, Tommy. You can make more. Oh, look at Bernie trying to look over. He's standing on. Oh, where's Tommy going, Bernie? Where's he going? Where's he going? Bernie, come. Where's he going? Found it?
Yeah.
All right.
I think it's the same one. It's a different one. It's hard. I just broke the other one.
Get him, Fern.
That one's not it.
Funky. I don't know. Gonna get you.
He's a whale. You're a whale in the snow. You're a whale in the snow. What did Frank do to get his bad leg?
He hurt, I don't know, he hurt himself.
Don't tell me Frank's right behind me.
Yep, they're coming. Here they come.
Try leading his way out.
Yep.
Are you okay, Frank? Let's go. Ready? Go!
Come on, Frank.
Bernie, where's another one? Is this another one? Is this another one?
If you're gonna throw it that way, not towards the road.
This way?
Mm-hmm.
I keep breaking them. Can't find another hard one.
Go get Daddy. Oh, he got it.
I know Arnold Block, that's Christy. He works for him. I got one!
Get it, Vern.
I got a bigger one. Bernie, come.
Hi there, buddy.
Bernie, come. Bernie, come.
Get down.
Bernie, come. Come on. I'm going to bring you where the ball is. I'm going to bring you where it is. Come here, Bernie. Come on, Bernie. Oh, I found a different one.
You did.
It looks like... I think it's like the same one. Bernie! He's gonna eat it.
Yep.
Bernie, want something to eat? Gosh. No. Where's the old one? The old one. He's bringing a stick. He's bringing a stick.
Yep.
Ron, Caroline, is he allowed to chew on a stick?
It's okay.